the neighborhood and see how yacked up it is. If we can get around it. Heading up Rip Van Winkle. I'm definitely in four-wheel drive. I think I'm down to Blacktop here, though. Yep, I got down to some blacktop by the Kennedy's house. Oh, put the window back up. I got a thing about putting the windows up when I only got, put the window down when I only got one key. Oh, this is jacked up, man. I guess I can get through. Thermos tipping over. Holy shnikes. I got one path through here. Well, at least they didn't leave me that close. Mine was more like that. 1, 2, 3, right in front of the house. Dan flagged him down, and I got myself dug out of there a little bit, enough to park the truck in their kitty corner. Pictures on the Facebook page. You get a visual when I get back down the bottom of the hill. Okay, everybody's got power. The trees are down across the road anyway. Holy man, that's a mess, bro. That's a mess, bro. There, I hope they're in Florida. And now we're coming up on go to the beach with. All I had to do was dig a little trench exactly where Allie waded through with Paisley. It was pretty thick there. It was worse between the houses when I had to go check number 43. For the first time in forever, they didn't plow the beach. I would have considered just pushing it all over there, and people in the neighborhood would have a place to stick their cars. I know we're taking a lot of work, but it's just snow. Well, that was the neighborhood, and now we'll get a quick down Main Street before I blast out of town. We're heading up towards the Rotary. Water across there, I didn't see that. I walked down Main Street yesterday. There is no sidewalk action. That's not gonna happen. It's gonna have to melt. I had to go along the side of the street. A couple spots, you pop back over the snowbank and go a couple lots on the sidewalk, and then you'd have to be right back. I just walked the canal road for a little while. That was down to blacktop. Yeah, there was a little bit of sidewalk available here in front of the pizza. Just now 4 a.m. Heading up towards Mount Snow to go skiing. And then I'm on my way back to Oklahoma. Puritan Road was pretty clean. Imagine there might be school today. I don't know. Didn't think about that one. I wonder if the teachers all made it back. Or can even make it in. $263. Price came down a little bit since I left. It was about $283, $287, I think, the last time I was here. Right about $205, $199 back in Oklahoma. You hunt around. Back to two-wheel drive. We don't need four-wheel drive for this. We got a car behind me now. And now we're heading off towards Route 25. The men are still working, cleaning things up. Trying to make the roads a little bit wider. Trust this, but that guy behind me really wants to push it. I'm still going 40 miles an hour. I'll give it some more juice once I terminate the video and get on the highway here in a second. A little fog. To give you some, oh, they're going to let that get melted. That's what they're doing. That helps to melt. Get the sunshine over here. Okay, they widened this back out too. 36, 48 hours ago when I got here, this was pretty much choke point city. Go ahead, buddy. You're in a hurry. Up to speed, and we're on our way to Westfield. Heat's at 51. Hot water's in vacation mode. Refrigerator's off.